Diamond Electrical Repair. Diamond Electrical Repair, your trusted source for top-quality electrical installation service in San Bernardino, California, and surrounding areas. As the best electrical installation service in the region, we take pride in delivering exceptional results and reliable solutions for all your electrical needs. At Diamond Electrical Repair, we are more than just an electrical repair company. We offer comprehensive services to meet your residential electrical requirements. From rewiring services to electrical panel installation, our skilled technicians handle every project with precision and efficiency, ensuring your home's electrical system is safe and up to code. As the future of transportation evolves, we are ready to meet your needs with EV charger installation services. Our expertise in electric vehicle charger installation ensures that you can conveniently charge your electric vehicle at home, providing you with a seamless and efficient charging experience. Illuminate your living spaces with our top-notch lighting installation services. We offer a wide range of lighting solutions to enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. At Diamond Electrical Repair, we understand the importance of prompt and reliable residential services. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the highest level of customer satisfaction, ensuring all your electrical projects are completed with utmost care and attention to detail. When it comes to electrical installations and repairs, trust Diamond Electrical Repair to deliver unparalleled service. Contact us today for the best electrical installation service in San Bernardino, California, and let us brighten your home with our expertise and dedication. For more information, please visit our website, www.diamondelectrical.com, or contact us through phone 909-442-4276. You can visit our office, San Bernardino, California 92410. Diamond Electrical Repair.